So growing garlic is pretty easy. All you really need is three things to get it started. Is a jiffy cup like this. Fill it about this much full of water, and a garlic clove. As you can tell, the garlic clove still has the wrapping on it. So what you want to do before you plant it, or not plant it, before you get ready to germinate it, is you're going to take the wrapping off. Now the roots are going to come out right there on the bottom side of the garlic clove. So when you put it in a cup, you want to put it with that blunt side face down, and it'll be in the water. And after about 4 to 5 days, you'll get something that looks like this. Notice how it's got roots on the bottom and how it's grown the leaves. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and plant it in some soil. Over here we got our soil. So what you want to do with the garlic clove after it's sprouted its leaves, you're going to go about 3 inches deep, and then you're going to want to bury it. So I got about 4 cloves, so I'm going to go ahead and go on the corners. I'm going to go ahead and go about that deep. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in there, face the roots down, and then just go ahead and cover the clove and then pat it down. And I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of them. And there you go. It's that easy to plant garlic. Not too bad, right? I'd like to thank everybody for tuning into the video today. If you liked the video and you found it helpful, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe if you want. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and shoot me a thumbs down, and I appreciate you coming in and checking it out anyways. So thank you, have a great day, and we'll see you next time in the garden. Peace.